Hagjingdon kajingja kabasosi kabaki pulit ka kenhon search and rescue team patru kinong shnong kidang wat ikisukurim ki belaja rengai na dukar plai trik jumang arjar pesan hasora bat kabaka jingwat iki kala jam shaka prasngi hadu kini kesngi bopinmi kini ke kubor hilala banso thu baga jinglong kame mariang bat ka jingjoru slap pan lap iki kandang bampor kini kisukurim ki belaja rengai ki dei ki bidang syudap yatho haka khatwei trik jumang arjar pesan bat bala itho kerteng kumu raja Raghuvanshi laipos nem kerta bat kalok jong u ka sonam kila jet ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jaka wan kai honeymoon namar ka jingdan jong kai ka jaka jong kai ki kshaj bat ka mariang bat ban poish ka tiga jaka daka skuti ka bakila shimwai ya ka khubor ka bashai lor ka jingja la yo lum jingtep ka step jong ka arplai ter jumang arjar psan hadien balalap bakila pinyang ka skuti badon lang baru shabi najan ka Golden Pines daba hasorarim halor kani ka khubor ki bubon kila pensngau ka jing solem wala kila don kilat pathai khubor na rithor ki bapinwan baki chakashani ki de crime prone hills hinde ki don pat kinong chungo khai perthai ki bana India bana shabar India ki bla ai ka jingero ya ka Meghalaya hakawai na ka YouTube channel ka bade jong ka Niva Sowani lala bani I kawai ka longkmi ka bahaga jinglong temen kala ai ka jingero e ka jela Meghalaya baru ban ong bahaka kani ka jaka ka longkum ka beneng khandau na ka jinglong ki jaka ka jingbaha ki breu na lor kata kala ong bahabalech kiti ki jaka namar ki babon ki dei ki balong rian kam sngan man lech klem da penun kam ki guide ki ban yalam lenti pat ban ong bakalawan bunsien cha Meghalaya pat ka shem ba ka dei ka jaka ka basngan ba.
A newly married couple from Indore, Madhya Pradesh went to Meghalaya for their honeymoon. But after 2 days of their trip, their phone is unreachable and relatives are worried, especially mother, and that is why they informed the government of Meghalaya, and government is searching, police department is doing their level best, but because of heavy rains they have not reached to any conclusion, and 6 days has been passed now. I feel, because I have visited Meghalaya, I am in love with Meghalaya, I will tell you. There, because they are missing from Sohra, we know that we are having highest rainfall there, and there hills are slippery, very slippery there. I am talking because I have visited the place, and the fog is very dense and thick. That is why many times we can't see what is ahead of us, even by inches. That is why I feel that visiting such places without a guide is very dangerous, because we don't know that place, and I told you it is at least now during the rainy season very slippery it is, fog, you can't see ahead. Otherwise, Meghalaya is very safe place. It is a very safe place. Because of my personal experience, I tell you. And here and there you are knowing you are having waterfalls and all. That is why we should be very, very careful. It is a very good place. It is a heaven on the earth. It is a heaven on the earth, no other word. And the people are so good, so loving. But as I told you, because it is slippery and we don't know when you go to the interior inside, you should take a guide. And people of Meghalaya are very nice, very helping. In one shop, while paying by mistake, I paid more money. The lady, honestly, she returned. She told me, see, this is much, you have given me more. Just imagine how honest the people are. I think Raja Raghuvanshi and his wife Sonam. Oh, I don't know, or they might have missed the route because we don't know that place. I hope they will return safely home.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya